Excel Tips GH. My name is John and I'm going to be your tutor for today's course. Today's course is going to be in today's course we are going to create a comprehensive payroll based on 2022 GRE graduated rate in Excel. As time goes on, we are going to modify it to include 2021 and 2020. At the end of this course, we are going to learn how to use Excel to create an automated and comprehensive payroll which produces the statutory returns, which is the GRE returns and then the SSNIT returns. It is going to be in 9 lessons. In lesson 1, we are going to learn more about the GRE 2022 payee graduated rate and how to use Excel to calculate the income tax based on a chargeable income. In lesson 2, we are going to create a simple automated tax calculator in Excel, which can be used to assess the tax payable on multiple chargeable incomes. In lesson 3, we are going to introduce allowances and bonus. In lesson 4, we are going to introduce accommodation and car elements and their implication on the income tax. In lesson 5, we are going to introduce benefits in kind. In lesson 6, we are going to introduce reliefs. In lesson 7, we are going to put everything together to form the comprehensive payroll. In lesson 8, we are going to create an automated income tax return sheet, which is in conformity with the GRE report returns. And then lesson 9, we are going to create an automated employee SSNIT returns. So stay with me and then let's move to the next. Please, if you want this work to continue, kindly subscribe and then share. God bless you. Allah bless you too.